What's up guys, it's Mallory from Living Life Barefoot, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 2 ways that you can preserve your microgreens. Freeze drying and dehydrating your microgreens is what we're going to talk about today. So these are broccoli microgreens that have been freeze dried. Now we don't have a freeze dryer here, but we had a friend that we took some of the fresh microgreens to her and she freeze dried them for us. Just so we could try them out. So thanks, Jen. But that is one way you can do it, is with a freeze dryer. We are going to dehydrate some microgreens today, and we just have an old dehydrator that we've had for years. And I actually had some microgreens that I grew for some orders that had been canceled. So I'm going to take advantage of this and show you guys how we dehydrate the microgreens so we can preserve them and we can have microgreens any day of the week. Just for reference, I'm going to weigh out each variety so you know how much I'm putting in the dehydrator. This is the broccoli, and I'm going to save some of this because I love having fresh broccoli microgreens, so I might have that in my salad tonight. But we're going to, let's make that even. Let's do, that's 10 ounces of the broccoli. And I'll go ahead, and actually I don't know if all this will fit on one of the trays. I'm just going to go ahead and spread it out. I may just do half of what I have here to start out with, because I do want to do the 3 varieties that I have today. And so we're going to do broccoli, we're going to do arugula, and we're going to do pea shoots. So I only went about half, so there's about 5 ounces of the broccoli microgreens. And then we're going to go ahead and put this back in. May have to do several batches. And this is the arugula. I'll just spread this out. I did have another variety in there. I think it's kohlrabi just mixed in. That's okay. There's the arugula with a little bit of the kohlrabi mixed in. Just gonna set that on top, and then we're gonna go ahead and do some pea shoots.
My favorite.
As you can see, I have quite a bit of extra microgreens, so I'll probably do several rounds of dehydrating these. Get those tucked in. Okay, and then there's the pea shoots. I'm just gonna stack it up here on my old trusty dehydrator. I've had this for years, so nothing fancy here. Look at all those stragglers. And then I'm going to put it on the lowest setting. I think there's a spice and herb setting, so since the microgreens are more tiny and delicate, I think I will put it on the lowest setting, and we're gonna shoot for 4 to 5 hours and see what they look like after that, and then we'll give you an update of how long it actually took them, and we will come back. Now that I have those going in the dehydrator, these are some that I've previously dehydrated, and I'm gonna show you what I'm going to do with these next. I'm going to take a coffee grinder and I'm gonna grind these up into a powder. So I'm gonna go do that real quick and I'll be right back. Gavin decided he was gonna go ahead and powder them up. So he's just taking the dehydrated microgreens and putting them in the coffee grinder.
There's a max line in there, so I'm trying to get to that.
Okay.
Right back
We have
there.
some microgreens in the background that needs watered.
A little bit more. So it's completely full of powder.
How long do you think you did that for? Couple minutes, maybe?
Yeah, a couple minutes, 3 minutes maybe. Not long.
Yeah. Great ways to use it in the powdered form is adding it to other herbs and spices to make your homemade seasonings. How cool is that? You could also do a daily scoop of greens in the powdered form. So you just take a scoop, put it in a little bit of water, mix it up, and take a shot of greens every day. Or if you don't like the taste of that, which I think we might try that, Gavin. You could put it in capsule form and take it in capsule form daily if you'd rather do that. So I think this is such a great way to preserve your microgreens and be able to use them whenever you need them. And microgreens are known for their high nutritional value. And when you dehydrate them, they actually don't lose any nutrition. Want to keep that nutritional value. So dehydrating them, I think, is a really good way to preserve your microgreens, and it's super easy and simple, and you don't need anything fancy. That dehydrator we've had for years, and she works just fine. That coffee grinder, I think I got from Amazon or Walmart. Ways to use it in like the freeze dryer form. You could also powder this up too, but if you wanted to keep it like this, you can throw it in soups during the winter and have added nutrition that way. I think that's a great idea. Microgreens farmer, this is another great entrepreneur type business that you could do off of your microgreens business. You could sell powdered greens. I think that's pretty cool. Or you could sell seasonings, homemade seasonings. I've thought about it. I just haven't yet, but I think it is a pretty cool idea. Okay, we recruited Dylan to do this taste test with us, and he is our gagger and our puker. So I'm not really sure what to expect. So I'm going to do, I'll do that much.
Oh gosh. Now we mix that up?
No, we gotta add water to it first.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do that much for them.
This one's mine, I guess. You can take this one again.
Okay, and then we're gonna add water to it. So I'll add however much water you think you want.
I don't want a lot.
Yeah, me too.
I'm gonna do that much.
Oh.
Dylan, okay, add your water. Dylan, go ahead and blend it for me.
Okay.
We have this cool little blender stick. We love using this. We use it all the time. And you guys have your chasers. Dylan, you have your relight to
This is my
chase it.
chaser.
And you just have plain water.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I see some still. Mix, mix, mix.
Come on, mix. You want to put some water on?
Do you want to stir yours up?
Yeah.
Can you put some water
Okay,
on?
let me see. A little bit down at the bottom. So I'm going to use my spoon to kind of...
Yeah, we should have.
That's good. I'm going to let the foam settle down on mine a little bit here. Okay.
Oh. Can you put that over here?
So let's see if we got quite a bit of water for you. Let's
Yeah.
let all that foam kind of settle. A shot of greens. What do you think your reaction is going to be?
I don't think I'm gonna like it.
Yeah, I think so. It
I don't know.
It doesn't look like it's gonna be good.
Are you good?
Mine's super foamy, but
Should we wait a little bit?
just
With
a
the
little
foam?
bit.
Okay.
Is my phone?
Oh, I smell it.
Pretty green.
Oh, that doesn't smell.
Oh,
very
no.
good.
Okay. Let's cheers. Are we going to do it?
Yeah.
I guess.
I'm
Here's
not.
that. Cheers. 1, 2, 3.
I'm jovial.
Not bad.
It's not bad.
You got a green mustache.
Running good.
Do I have green in my teeth? Are you gonna finish it? No?
No.
I still got green at the bottom.
Add more water to it. You want me to?
Yeah.
Let me mix it a little bit.
Doesn't taste the green.
You just got a shot of super green goodness. Boost you all up.
I'm gonna put a little bit more water.
I still got it in my mouth.
Alright. It's mixed up.
It
Ready?
ain't helping. Water ain't helping.
Oh. You think you can do that every day?
No.
No?
No. Can't do it one day.
So thumbs down for that for you?
So bad.
I didn't think it was bad, but
It's
I like
not
stuff.
bad, but I had a lot that last drink.
Yeah, I like stuff like this.
It's
If-
okay. It's okay.
I could do it every day, actually.
Really?
I think so.
We have plenty here. Yeah, that's awesome, Gavin. So would you rather do a shot of that versus eating the microgreen broccoli?
Yeah.
I like it.
I'd rather eat it.
Rather eat it? Okay. Everybody has different taste buds and preferences, and I think that's pretty cool.
100%.
So we may be doing shots of greens
The water ain't
to
helping.
add that to our daily goodness.
Our water ain't helping.
The water's not helping. You even have flavored water.
Yeah.
Your pina colada, electrolytes, and that's not helping. You need to go brush your teeth. Get that out of your mouth. Maybe oil pull.
Mhm.
When it comes to pea shoots, they just rather eat them.
Yep.
Eat them up. So what a great video. That was really fun. Wish this was like a spur of the moment thing at the end here, but that was pretty cool. We love doing experiments like this, don't we?
Yeah.
So, dehydrating your microgreens for a win on just another way to preserve your food and be able to use it anytime. Add it to your spices. Do green shots every day. Put it in capsules. You could put it in your smoothies, your shakes, your juice it. You could do all kinds of stuff with this. I think it's really cool. I think we might make our own homemade seasoning with our microgreens. So the arugula, I think, is going to be awesome as a seasoning because it's going to give that added spice. Which you guys aren't good on spice, but I think that's going to be really good. And the pea shoot might be interesting. So we'll have to figure out what we're going to do with the pea shoot. Well, we could add that to our spice too.
What if we do that?
We could have you guys create your own spice with the pea shoots because that's your favorite. So we could do like pea shoots, maybe add some Redmond's real salt.
Yeah.
And you guys like garlic. I don't know, pea shoots are sweet. So we'll think of something. We'll make you guys' own little seasoning.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I like it. Very cool. Thanks for hanging out with us guys today. This was really fun. I'm gonna finish dehydrating my microgreens. As you can see, I do have lots to dehydrate.
Maybe
Save the
big.
pea shoots.
Save the pea shoots. They'll just eat those ones raw, so I may keep those. But we need to get enough so you guys can make your own seasoning. So we'll do a couple more rounds of that as well. 4 to 5 hours in the dehydrator at a low setting, I think is gonna work out just fine. If not, you know, just let it keep going until all the moisture's out and they are pretty dried out as we showed you in the video before when I had dehydrated some. It's just like dehydrating your herbs and spices. You want it to be able to crumble it up, so that's when you know that it's ready. And you can keep it like that. Throw it in your soups all fall and winter, or throw this in your smoothies, or
With it.
make it into a powder as a seasoning or a green shot. I think that was an awesome video. What do
Green
you guys
shot
think?
wasn't bad.
Green shot wasn't bad. Yeah, see? A 12-year-old, almost 13.
In
2 days.
2 days.
2 days. 13-year-old taking green shots. I love it.
It ain't bad.
Yeah. Very
Yeah,
cool.
a little bit.
You did gag. Thanks for hanging out with us today. It was a good video. I love sharing all things microgreens, so this was the perfect way to preserve your microgreens if you have extra that may be going bad, or you just had extra that you grew for your business and you're not sure what to do with it and you can't get rid of them for whatever reason. Dehydrating is a great way to preserve it, so I highly suggest doing that. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't already, so you know when we're adding new content and videos.
If you want to see a puppy.
And this is Lola. She's a spoiled baby.
Yep.
Thanks for watching today, guys. Have a good day.
Ah,
You can't talk.
You can't talk.
just feel like you got green in your mouth.
So I can't talk. He said it sounds like I have greens in my mouth. Oh, that was good.